This video is designed to show how to keep PGH Moondust bricks as clean as possible when laying and cleaning. When laying the bed, try and keep the bottom course clean. Sometimes this is not easy. When you're laying the bricks, the less time the trowel comes in contact with the face of the brick, the better. If the mortar is good, just lay the brick with your hand only. Try and keep it to one strike to pick up the dag. After round joining is completed, we lightly dry sponge the brick, flicking off excess mortar. Then take a wet sponge, squeeze it out again and clean the brick. Sometimes it's necessary to dry sponge the brick again, and for best effect, use a brand new sponge and clean water at all times.